All right, welcome to Easy Crypto Bytes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Exodus wallet to your computer. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go to the Exodus website, and I'm going to leave a link below in the description. We're going to go to that website. We're going to go here and click on download in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to see it says for the desktop. So you're going to download Exodus. Click on that. It's going to give you an option for Windows, Mac, or it's going to give you different options. And so what you want to pick is whatever computer you have. I have a Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows Download. And we're going to see in the upper right-hand corner of your browser, you're going to see where it's downloading. You just wait for that to download. Okay, now that we've got that downloaded, we're going to go up here to the download tab in the browser and click on that. And then we're going to see the Exodus wallet file. We're going to click on the open the folder, show in folder, and click on that. And it's going to show where our download folder is here. And then we're going to go over here and double click on this Exodus wallet file here in our download file. All right, so then we have the screen that pops up that tells us that it's installing. All right, Exodus has been installed. Click OK. Close this out. Now we can close the browser down. We don't need this anymore for now. And so now, as we can see on the home screen, we've got the Exodus shortcut. Now we're going to go ahead and click on this shortcut. And your wallet immediately opens up to the front page, which is your portfolio page. Now you have nothing in here yet, so everything's gonna show 0. You're not gonna have any amounts in here. But before we do anything else, we want to go over here to the right side of your screen and click on Settings, and you're gonna click on Backup. Okay, and what this is gonna do is gonna allow you to create a password. Right now, your wallet does not have a password on it, and you want to immediately get a password on it. So you're going to go in here and you're going to type in a unique password. You think of a password and type your password in. I'm going to type a password in myself. And then when you type your password, you're going to click Next. And then it's going to prompt you to type your password again. Now, I'm sure that you already have a process or a book or some type of log that you keep your passwords in. But if you don't, go ahead and start one now. Get a notebook and start a place where you can put your passwords, because you're also going to need to write down your seed phrase, which is going to give you access to your wallet in case anything ever happens to it. If you get locked out, if you get deleted, if your computer dies and you need to install the wallet on another device, you'll need the seed phrase that's going to come up in a little bit. And you're going to need to put that in a location where you can keep it secure, but that where it doesn't get lost or destroyed, or where you don't forget it. So we'll type the password in again here, and then hit Next. Now, right here is where we're talking about the seed phrase. It says, never share your secret phrase. Anyone can use it to steal your funds at any time. View it privately with no cameras around. Now, for me, this is just a fake wallet. I'm not going to ever put any crypto in this wallet. This wallet is only for this video. So I'm going to let you see this seed phrase. I'm going to check this. It says, I understand the risk of sharing my secret phrase. You don't want to ever share the phrase. You want to write it down in your password book with your password and keep it in a safe, secure location where nobody could ever find it. All right. View secret phrase. Now, you'll see this screen. It says, write these down in order. Store your phrase in a safe, private place. Double check it's written correctly in order. So what I would do is I would copy this page here. I would either print it, or I would take my notebook and I would write exactly how it looks here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I would put each word above the number so that you know the location of each word, whether it's 1, 2, 3, and so forth. So you can click show your secret recovery phrase. Make sure nobody's around. Don't do this at Starbucks. Don't do this somewhere out. Make sure you're in a secure location where nobody can see this phrase except you. And as you can see here, this is the phrase for this wallet. And I would write down each of them. I'm going to go ahead and do this myself here for this wallet. And I'm never going to have funds in this. So whoever's watching this video in the future, don't think that you're going to be able to get any funds from this wallet. So now, once you have this phrase written down along with your password, you're going to scroll down and hit done. Make sure you've got it, double check it, make sure everything is spelled correctly, make sure the words align up, because you're going to have to re-enter some of these words in order to proceed here in just a second. All right, so we're going to click done. And now it's asking, check your paper backup. Which word is the 11th word of your secret phrase? You're going to look at whichever number word it's asking you for. You're going to look at that number, the word that's above that number, and you're going to click on it. Okay, and then you're going to click done. All right, the backup is complete. Now that we're finished here, we've got our password set up. We've got our recovery phrase, which is your 12-word secret or seed phrase. It's often referred to. You have that in a secure location. And this is it. Your wallet is set up. Now you're ready to take the next step and to actually get your centralized exchanges account set up so that you can purchase crypto and transfer it into this wallet. Now we'll go back to assets here, and we can just kind of kick around the wallet a little bit, check it out, get to know it, and get familiar with what coins are in this wallet. Not all wallets have every single coin that's out there, and there are different coins that this wallet may not be in this wallet that would be in other wallets. But I think for starting out, this is one of the best wallets. It's very secure, and there are a lot of coins in this wallet, and you can also purchase tokens and coins in the wallet if you set that up. However, sometimes it's a little more expensive than buying it on a exchange and then transferring it in, and sometimes it doesn't work correctly. All right, how do you feel? Now you have your Exodus wallet set up and you're ready to go. You're ready to purchase your crypto and then transfer it into this wallet. All right. Well, if you enjoyed this video, then I would ask you to please like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, but that will help the algorithm get this video out to more people who can be helped by my videos and by my YouTube channel. I appreciate you watching this video, and Easy Crypto Bytes out.